Here I want to know that if there is a certain character or a string in one string or not. Let me show you, for example. I said I have a variable name and assign to that same thing, Then I want to know that if one character or one here, once the word is or not. So what I say that if in name, in the variable or variable name, then if there is, I will say yeah, there is. No. And let me run it. So yes, but if here just I put loves and run it, there's no word. So we have this one, we can, or I can say that if just only L is for sure is, and if I say some W, that this character exists on this sentence, no, there is none. So there is one thing that we are able to check it out, if there is certain character or certain string is in other string or not. The next one I want to replace. Let me do the replace here too. I want just replace the Lucy with different thing. So what I say that I say print. I just want to show on this on the screen. And I said name, that we have it the variable name, and replace method. I use replace method, and then what I want to replace the Lucy with okay, so I said Lucy here, and I replace it with John. Let me have this one to a string, and I print it out. So what I say, I love John, so I'm able to replace or check if there is a character or a string in another string, or replace one word or one string with other string or character with other character.